Hello everyone, today I will be reporting on my $100 challenge. So I went through quite a few names. The name that I settled on was York Home. My mission statement was to turn ordinary items into treasured items. So basically taking items you would find at TI, thrift stores, online garage sale sites, and taking them from ordinary into something a little more special. My goal was to find, refurbish, and sell 6 items. To report on those goals, I found 3 items, refurbished 2, and sold 1. So, profit loss statement. My initial startup cost was $15.50. These are the items that I bought. The lower left, I have a TV stand that I found for $5 on a local garage sale site. The middle frame, I also found on a local garage sale site for $2.50. And to the bottom right, I have a wall storage unit. It should be noted that the TV stand with the gray on top is me halfway through the process. I forgot to take a picture of what it looked like when I started. So my profit, the TV stand I bought for $5 and I ended up selling for $10. I painted it in a fresh gray color. I also removed the door and the handle that you can see in this picture, as I felt like it dated it a little bit, and also they didn't quite function properly. The wall storage unit I bought for $8 and I posted for sale for $15. I put new knobs on. I was able to go to a local craft store here in town, use a 60% off coupon, and get the knobs for $1 a piece. I also painted the top of the shelves gray, and this one's currently pending. Well, it's posted for sale. The frame I bought for $2.50, and I posted for sale for $5. Right now, I have kept it the same. If it doesn't sell by the end of this week, I might do something to it. So the lessons that I learned. I learned that you have to hustle. I have an entrepreneur friend, and he recently posted on Facebook and he captioned his photograph saying, "Have been hustling for 3 years." And I thought that was the perfect description. And that's something I definitely learned through this $100 challenge, is that you really do have to hustle when you're an entrepreneur. It's not that you just don't have to go to work from 8 to 5. You work a lot longer than from 8 to 5, or at least if you want to see results, you have to work a lot longer than 8 to 5. That goes into, but the second lesson that I learned is that you have to put into the work. I feel like I got really excited about the idea, and then when it came to putting in the work, I got less excited. So that's something that I learned, is that you have to hustle, you have to be willing to put in the work to see the results that you want to see. The last lesson that I learned is that you can't procrastinate. There's a few things that I would have gone back and done differently. I would have started selling my items a lot sooner, so that hopefully I could sell those items and put that money towards other items. But I did learn a lot from this challenge. I learned a lot of my weaknesses, a lot of my strengths, and a few other things about myself. I really did enjoy this challenge and was excited to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching.